The Andean cock of the rock is primarily found in montane cloud forests of the Andes in South America. These forests are characterized by their high altitude, lush vegetation, and frequent cloud cover. They are generally social birds and may form small groups, especially during the non-breeding season. While the Andean cock of the rock is not currently considered globally threatened, habitat loss due to deforestation is a significant concern. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their habitats and ensure their long-term survival. The Andean cock of the rock is the national bird of Peru and is featured on the country's coat of arms. It holds cultural significance and is often associated with Andean folklore and traditions. Due to their vibrant plumage and unique behaviors, the Andean cock of the rock is a popular bird for birdwatchers and ecotourists visiting the Andean region. Observing these birds in their natural habitat can be a rewarding experience, given their stunning appearance and captivating displays during the breeding season. The males are characterized by their vibrant and flamboyant plumage. Their body is a bright orange or reddish-orange color, which is particularly intense on the breast and head. This vibrant coloration is thought to play a crucial role in attracting females during courtship displays. The males have a prominent and elaborate crest on their heads, enhancing their overall display. This crest is often a contrasting color, such as black. They have a robust build with a stocky body, strong beak, and relatively short wings. Their build is adapted for life in the forest canopy where they forage for fruits and insects. Female Andean cock of the rocks have more subdued plumage compared to males. Their feathers are typically brown or olive, providing camouflage in the forest environment. Females also have a crest, but it is less prominent than that of the males. Males can measure around 32 to 35 centimeters. Females are slightly smaller than males. The weight of Andean cock of the rock can vary, but in general, they are not particularly heavy birds. They typically weigh between 220 to 260 grams. It's important to note that these measurements are approximate, and individual birds may vary within these ranges. Additionally, the weight of these birds can fluctuate due to factors such as age, health, and seasonal variations. The lifespan of Andean cock of the rock in the wild is not precisely documented, but it is estimated to be around 15 years. However, this can vary depending on factors such as predation, environmental conditions, and disease. In captivity, where the birds may be protected from some of the natural threats they face in the wild, they may live longer. In well-maintained aviaries and zoos, Andean cock of the rocks have been known to live into their late teens or even early 20s. In captivity, where the birds may be protected from some of the natural threats they face in the wild, they may live longer. In well-maintained aviaries and zoos, Andean cock of the rocks have been known to live into their late teens or even early 20s. These birds are adapted to life in the forest canopy, where they navigate through the dense vegetation. Their short wings and stocky build are well suited for maneuvering in this environment. Both males and females can emit loud, squawking calls. These calls may serve various purposes, including communication within the species, signaling danger, or expressing territorial claims. Whistling sounds are also part of the vocal repertoire of Andean cock of the rocks. These whistles can vary in pitch and intensity. A significant portion of the Andean cock of the rocks diet consists of fruits. They feed on a variety of fruits found in their native cloud forest habitat. The consumption of fruits contributes to their overall nutritional intake. In addition to fruits, these birds also consume insects and small invertebrates. This part of their diet provides essential proteins and other nutrients. They may capture insects while foraging in the forest canopy. Andean cock of the rocks are adapted to life in the forest canopy, and their foraging behavior involves moving through the trees in search of food. They use their strong beaks to pluck fruits and capture insects. As frugivores, Andean cock of the rocks play a role in seed dispersal within their habitat. The seeds from the fruits they consume are often spread throughout the forest, contributing to the regeneration of plant species. Their diet reflects adaptations to the cloud forest environment, where a diverse array of fruits and insects are available. The ability to feed on both plant material and animal matter allows them to maintain a balanced diet. During the breeding season, male Andean cock of the rocks gather in communal areas called leks. Leks are specific sites where males display and compete for the attention of females. These displays involve a combination of vocalizations, elaborate dances, and showcasing their vibrant plumage. Males engage in flamboyant courtship displays to attract females. They use their vibrant orange or reddish-orange plumage and prominent crests to capture the attention of potential mates. The displays are intended to showcase the male's fitness and genetic qualities. Females observe the displays and select mates based on the male's performances. The most successful males may have a higher chance of mating with multiple females during the breeding season. Once a pair forms, the male and female work together to build a nest and raise their offspring. While the lekking behavior involves competition among males, the actual breeding involves the formation of monogamous pairs. The female is responsible for building the nest, which is typically located in concealed sites such as rocky crevices or tree hollows. The nest is constructed using materials like moss, twigs, and other plant matter. After the nest is prepared, the female lays a clutch of eggs. The number of eggs can vary. The female incubates the eggs to keep them warm until they hatch. Both the male and female contribute to parental care. They take turns incubating the eggs and later feeding and caring for the chicks once they hatch. The duration of incubation and the time it takes for chicks to fledge can vary. After the chicks have developed sufficiently, they leave the nest and become more independent. The exact timing of fledging can depend on various factors, including environmental conditions and food availability. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.